Welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. Today we're going to do a twist easel card. This piece, the front measures 4 by 4 and it is scored on the diagonal from the bottom to the top. And then I have a piece that's also 4 by 4 that I am attaching just to the bottom half of that angled score. So when you open it, the mat will stand straight, opposed to following that bend in the score. Then I also have my front piece that's an 1/8 inch mat around, and this is a Whisper White. And what I am going to make my front piece, picture piece on, most of this card is going to be with die cuts. So this is 2 different die cuts. One is the friendly silhouette dies, the other is the painted labels die, as well as the Peaceful Moments stamp set. And I'm just using different pieces from each of these die sets to create a fun little picture for the front of this card, as well as the punch for the center. I started off with this stamp that says hello that I was going to use, but as I stamped it and tried to play with it, I decided it didn't work for what I was going for with this image. It either didn't stamp properly or I just didn't like how it looked. I ended up using a different stamp from the painted labels set. So this is mostly just showing my process, but I did not actually end up using this. So to attach these pieces, I decided to use my glue dots. They are small enough to attach to the back, plus I can also roll them to make them smaller if I need to. And I just put a few along the bottom of this particular die to attach it. I also use snail on other larger pieces. So here's the new piece that I punched out for the inside that I am going to put a sentiment on. At this point I haven't really decided what that sentiment's going to be, so I've left it blank at the moment. And then I'm just going to attach my front panel piece to the front of my card using the snail. Now for the inside, I'm just going to use another piece of Whisper White. I'm going to trim that down using my little trimmer that I've had before I was a demonstrator. Stampin' Up! Does have a trimmer available. I'm just going to cut this down to about the same size as my front panel piece. I'm not going to do any stamping on this, but I am going to use some pearls to use as a stopper for the twist easel part of the card. And these I'll just attach to the inside of this along the edge of the twist easel when it's standing. And this will hold it up. So now for the sentiment on the front, it's really just dependent on what you're looking for and what works. I use the Peaceful Moments set, and the Happy Birthday fit actually pretty well. So I just stamped that with the Blackberry Bliss to match the cardstock. And here is the finished twist easel card. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and happy stamping!